Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Pawan Kumar Sandeep More, final year mechanical diploma from Zeal Polytechnic Pune. So now let's start with PPT. And my project group members are Vishwajit Shinde, Jaideep Kumbhar, Shubham Waje. We are from Zeal Polytechnic in mechanical department in B division. This is our IEQ project. Is based on case study on types of process chart used for the representation of each process in workshop. Now we see what is a process chart. A chart may be a diagram, a picture or a graph which gives an overall view of the situation, say a process. A process chart records graphically or diagrammatically in a sequence the operations connected with a processes. Second point, all the details about the existing method process are recorded and represented in a chart. This is done by directly observing the work. Third point, symbols are used to represent the activities like operation, inspection, transport, storage and delay. So this all about process chart. Now we see about process chart symbols in next slide. So now we see process chart symbols. The recording of the facts about the job or operation in a process chart is done by using standard symbols. First symbol is the operation denoted by circle. Second is the transport denoted by arrow. Third one inspect denoted by square. Fourth one delay, it is denoted by capital delay. Then storage, it is denoted by inverted triangle. Then next one is the handle, and another last one is the decide. These are the process chart symbols used to represent the graphical representation of the any operation in the workshop. We see detailed information of these symbols in next slide. The first symbol is operation. First point, a large circle indicates operation. Second point, an operation takes place when there is a change in physical or chemical characteristics of an object. An assembly or disassembly is also an operation. Third point, when information is given or received, or when planning or calculating takes place, it is also called operation. Some examples, reducing the diameter of an object in a lathe, it is also operation. Second, hardening the surface of an object by heat treatment, it is also example of operation. So these all information about operation symbol in process chart. The second symbol is inspection. First point is a square indicates inspection. Inspection is checking an object for its quality, quantity or identifications. Second point, example, checking the diameter of rod. Then counting the number of products produced of an object by heat treatment. These are the same example of inspection. So these all about inspection symbol. The third symbol is transport. First point, an arrow indicates transport. This refers to the movement of an object or operator or equipment from one place to another. When the movement takes place during an operation, it is not called transport. Example, moving the material by trolley, operator going to the stores to get same tool. It is a example of transport. So these all about transport symbol. The fourth symbol is delay or temporary storage. First point, a large capital letter D indicates delay. This is also called as a temporary storage. Delay occurs when an object or operator is waiting for the next activity. Example, an operator waiting to get a tool in the stores. It is an example of delay. Work pieces stocked near the machine before the next operation. It is also example of delay. So these all about the delay or temporary storage symbol. The fifth symbol is permanent storage. An equilateral triangle standing on its vertex represents storage. Storage takes place when an object is stored and protected against unauthorized removal. Example, raw material in the storeroom. It is an example of permanent storage. So these all about permanent storage symbol. So these all are the process chart symbols. Now we see how to use these symbols in next slide by the one example. Now we see the example. Example is facing operation on lathe machine in workshop. First procedure is job loading on machine. It is a example of operation symbol. Then second procedure, setting of single point cutting tool on tool post. It is also operation symbol. Third one, start the machine. It is also an operation symbol. Fourth one is the movement of carriage towards the job. It is the transport symbol. Fifth one, performing the facing operation. It is also operation symbol. 6, movement of carriage to original position. It is a transport symbol. 7, stop the machine. It is operation symbol. 8 is the unloading the job. It is operation symbol. In this chart we see how to use this symbol. Project outcomes. First one, we studied about the process chart symbols. Second one, we studied about process chart. Third one, we studied how to use the symbols. Fourth one, we studied some example of process chart. So this all about process chart symbols. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.